How did you turn the tables on your ex in court? My ex-husband claimed I was mentally unstable and needed supervised visits, but he forgot I was the one who set up all his smart home devices. After our divorce, Tom started telling everyone I was losing it and couldn't be trusted alone with our kids. He filed papers claiming I was having episodes and needed psychological evaluation. His evidence? Ring doorbell footage of me talking to myself outside his house during kid pickups, plus Alexa recordings of me having conversations with no one there. I looked completely unhinged in court. The judge ordered a psych eval and supervised visits until I was cleared. But here's what Tom forgot. I'm an IT specialist, and I set up every smart device in his house when we were married, including the hidden cameras he didn't know about. While he was building his case against me, I was watching everything through the old security system. Tom thought he deleted my access, but what he didn't realize was that I still had administrator access to every single camera in his house, indoor and outdoor, front porch to hallway, through the backup server I installed myself. Turns out, those conversations with no one were me on Bluetooth calls with my sister about work projects. And Tom knew it because I could see him watching from his window, laughing about it with his new girlfriend Brittany. The doorbell footage he submitted was deliberately edited to remove context. The full recordings showed me clearly wearing earbuds and gesturing naturally during phone calls. He'd cut out every frame that showed my earbuds or phone, but it gets so much better. His Ring doorbell caught him coaching his new girlfriend Brittany on what to say as a witness to my supposed breakdowns. Just say she seemed erratic and unstable when you saw her, he told her while they sat on his porch. Make it sound scary. Tell them she was yelling at thin air. The judge will believe you over her. Brittany seemed uncomfortable. But Tom, she was just talking on the phone. I could see her earbuds clearly. Doesn't matter what you saw. They don't know that. Just stick to the script I gave you. I watched him rehearse her testimony 3 different times. He even made her practice crying on cue to make it more believable. The week before my psych evaluation, I submitted my own evidence to the court. Hours of footage showing Tom deliberately staging situations to make me look unstable. There was video of him setting up the Ring doorbell to catch me at unflattering angles during pickup times. Audio of him telling friends how he was documenting her mental breakdown for court. Even footage of him practicing fake concerned expressions in the mirror before calling my lawyer to report my concerning behavior. The most damning evidence was a recording of him on the phone with his lawyer, admitting he was manufacturing evidence because he knew I'd never actually hurt the kids, but wanted full custody to avoid paying child support. She's a good mom, he said on the recording, but if I can make her look crazy, I won't have to pay anything. In court, his lawyer confidently presented the Ring footage as proof of my deteriorating mental state. Brittany took the stand and delivered her rehearsed testimony about my erratic behavior. I didn't argue, didn't flinch. I let Tom and Brittany put on their little show. Let the judge believe I was unstable. That was the point, because the second I hit play, everything flipped. I wasn't just defending myself, I was pulling the rug out from under them, and they didn't even see it coming. I played my recordings of Tom literally directing his girlfriend to lie, plus footage of him hiding behind curtains to record me during pickups, plus the phone call where he admitted to fabricating evidence. The judge was furious. Mr. Anderson, you've weaponized technology to gaslight your ex-wife in my courtroom. This is one of the most manipulative cases I've seen in 20 years. I got full custody that day. Tom got a restraining order and his lawyer dropped him immediately. Brittany texted me later apologizing and saying she'd never seen someone so obsessed with destroying another person. She broke up with him that same week. Tom now gets supervised visits twice a month and has to pay my legal fees plus damages for emotional distress. Sometimes being the tech person in the relationship has its perks.